Archivists for Congregations of Women Religious video tutorial, Elements of a Mission Statement by Casey Bowser, Archivist for the Sisters of Charity of Seton Hill. What is a mission statement? In short, a mission statement explains an organization's purpose, direction, and reason for existence. Before beginning any archival activities, a new or existing archivist should always begin by either formulating or reviewing the mission statement of the repository. Why is a mission statement important? Archivists need to base their appraisal, acquisition, and retention of records of enduring value on the archive's mission statement, which is a function of the institution's overall mission. The mission statement should inform every part of the archivist's duties, from daily decisions regarding acquisitions and appraisal to strategic planning and archival outreach activities. The mission statement will serve as your guiding light. What are the elements of a mission statement? Your mission statement should include your cause, your action, and your impact. Why do you exist? What are your overall goals? What do you do? What kind of service do you provide? And who are your primary users? How do your institutional values come into play? What is the vision for your archive? All of these elements intersect to create an impactful mission statement. What are the attributes of a good mission statement? A good mission statement should utilize clear and concise language, resonate with your staff and constituents, communicate why the archives exist and why they collect, be memorable and actionable, and be specific. Think of a mission statement as your elevator speech about your archive. It should be short, simple, and sweet. Why are women religious archives unique? For women religious archivists, we might ask the question, how does your archive's mission statement fit into the mission and charism of your community? How does this mission statement address institutional needs and cater to local and regional history as represented by missions of the sisters? Women religious archives are unique in that we serve both internal and external audiences. It is important to recognize the needs of a broad range of users with institutional and subject-specific collections. Here are a few examples of impactful mission statements. Remember these key components. A mission statement should inform all archival duties. Your mission statement should address cause, actions, and impact. An effective mission statement is short, simple, and sweet. Consider whether the mission statement of Women Religious Archives should reflect the mission and charism of the congregation. How would this manifest? Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this ACWR produced tutorial.